Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial of how to use Dropbox, a fantastic tool for storing, sharing, and managing your files in the cloud. Whether you are new to Dropbox or looking to enhance your skills, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly introduce Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud-based storage and synchronization service that always allows you to save your files online, access them in anywhere, anytime. It's incredibly convenient way to keep your documents, photos, videos safe and easily shareable. Step 1. We have to create an account in Dropbox. So create a Dropbox account. If you don't have an account, you can start like me. I'm a new profile. So let's start. You can start by just Googling Dropbox paper, right? Dropbox, and you will find the Dropbox.com. Go to the Dropbox.com. Okay, I'm going to sign out on my existing account. Yeah, right. Now I'm going to start from the beginning. And here, the Dropbox.com, we have option to start for free. They are giving us 2 GB free storage. If you need more, you can find a plan, and they're great. And you can start with 2 GB for almost $10 per month. So there are some other options. You can try them if you want. And to demonstrate, I'm using the free account, and I'm clicking on this get started. Then here you can find the basic. I'm clicking on the get basic button, so I can give an email, sign up, and give a password, or I can use my existing Google account to sign up, very easy. So I take this path, continue Google account, and this one, and confirm. That's like normal sign up, and we have to agree and sign up. Okay, and they are giving us some offers to uh, their plans, but I'm continuing with my free account. So at the bottom of the screen, we can find a link. Continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan. I'm clicking on it, and they are asking us what we are going to use for this with this Dropbox. I want to share files and photos. So we give feedback on the plan, and they're asking us to get started with desktop. We can download and install the desktop app. You can click here, and because I have already installed, it's opening. But Dropbox, if you haven't installed, it will start download Dropbox app, and you have to install it. And after installing, we can have this kind of very easy options, because it's like after installing, Dropbox is like a um, local folder like this. Now we can manage our things here. We can create folders, upload files like a normal folder. We can copy and paste files here without using browser. That's why using Dropbox app, desktop app, makes things easier. And I'm in this browser-based uh, interface here. So That's how we can create an account and get the desktop app installed. Uh, it will take some time. It's very lightweight app, uh, and you can do it by yourself. It's very easy. Within couple of minutes, we could get an Dropbox account. So step two uh, was that, and I will show you how to upload a file and download a file from Dropbox to Dropbox. We can upload a file by click on this upload and file or folder. I'm select file and I'm selecting a photo. So it's now uploaded. This is the uploaded file. We can open it and see a preview and do some um, editings for this picture. And there are after selecting this, we can click this three dot icon and we will find all the options available what we can do with this file. So we can delete it, we can share it, and we can download it back, and we can manage permission when we uh, share with people, and we can move to a folder. I'm going to move this. I'm going to show you how to create a folder and move this file to a folder. Uh, See how to create a folder. You can click on this create and in this options, click folder. Then I'm saving my files and click create. Now I'm in this Dropbox, my files path. I go to my Dropbox and I can now see all the files. I want to move this file to this newly created my files folder. So I select it and three dots, then move. They give us chance to select the folder. I'm selecting my files and click move. And now it's moved. You can see. And the most prominent thing in this Dropbox is it's very fast and it's very lightweight. Uh, we can use it without having any lagging or any kind of issues. Um, okay. Another very important thing when you are collaborating, you have to use you have to share files. Uh, let's see how to share the file. Click select the file or select multiple files what you want to share with, and click share, and you can add names or emails of the Dropbox account. So another account. So I don't have a contact, so I can select this and share the file, and he will be notified, and this will be shared in the Dropbox account. I will show you that. This is the one I just shared. Okay, right. Uh, and we can organize some naming convention, multiple organization, and there are a lot of options you can try with. I'm just showing you the basic things. And the most important thing when we are collaborating as a team, so we have to share some screen recordings. The normal method is using the Windows or desktop based screen recording software and create a video, and then we upload a file to somewhere else and they share a link. That is the conventional method. But with this Dropbox, we can do it very easily by creating a screen recording. Click on this create button and you can see that's option screen recording. If you click on that, and this is on the in front of the screen, and then click start, and we can allow to use camera and microphone, but I can't do this because I'm currently using for my the Loom, what I am using to record the screen. So after allowing, you can start the file, and after finishing the screen recording, it will be automatically uploaded to the Dropbox. So you can share the that file directly with your team members. That's a very uh, great option in the Dropbox. So, and you can download the mobile app and connect with the same Dropbox folder, um, like Google Drive. But I think the with my experience, Dropbox is very convenient to use and it's very fast. Um, Even though it's free, I'm using free tier. It's very fast. That's my experience. You can try it out. Um, so now we have there's another option that we call the Dropbox paper. Show you the Dropbox paper. See, when you can when you're trying to create something, there's option document. You can create this kind of document. Then Dropbox paper. This is also another tool we can use to collaborate. And if you are editing something um, in a collaborative manner with your team members, you can use this and give the permission very easy with this to your team members. And do you can this is line based text editor, not only text, but you can install, you can add some kind of um, other types of text and images and videos and everything. And also calendars, you can attach calendars and events and so many things when you collaborate with your in a team. Um, After you can share with the people, and they can also um, edit the same file at the same time. So that's convenient. You can use it's like Google Docs. Google Docs is also supported to this collaborative editing. Uh, that kind of tool is a Dropbox paper. That's the basic things. And okay, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Dropbox from creating an account, sharing files, and collaborating. Now we are ready to make the most of the things powerful tool. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe for more tech related videos. Until next time, happy Dropboxing.